everybody, and thanks for watching. This is Linda Bartolucci with Ink Stamp and Scrap. We're going to continue on with my retired product sale preview. If you haven't watched the first video, I suggest you watch that to understand how the sale is going to work. I'll link it in a card above, or if you're watching in the Facebook group, just keep going. This video is about the bundles. So the bundles are stamp sets and either a punch or die set that go with them. It's one single price and you get all the items. So this is the gift wrapped stamp set and bow builder punch. They go together. They are from the holiday catalog that ended in January of 2021. Then there is the butterfly, oops, everything's sliding. The butterfly Gala bundle that also has the butterfly duet punch and the butterfly Gala stamp set. So you can punch out both butterflies at the same time. And the last punch bundle that I have available in my retired sale is the Time for Tags Hostess set paired with the timeless label tag punch. All of these have that cute little border and can be punched out using that tag punch. And this is an unused stamp set ready for a good home. All right, so the bundles that I have, the rest of the bundles go with dies. So Free as a Bird is a retiring stamp set, and it comes with the stitched nested label dies. Little Treats is another stamp set that retired from the holiday catalog. I used it quite a bit, but it is cleaned up and ready to go. And you get this great die set that includes this awesome little treat box and then lots of trinkets and tags to decorate it. The Well Said bundle was well loved by me. I didn't use the stamps quite as much as I did the dies. The dies include all these fun shapes, birds and flowers, along with the word welcome here. And then there's a second set of dies on this side that has happy, hooray, thanks. You can create lots of phrases using the combination of the stamps included as well as the dies. You'll see all the details in the flyer about this sale, which is linked below this video as well as in the first one. By the Dock is the next bundle we're going to talk about. I used it a lot for masculine cards, and it also includes these beautiful dies along with this gorgeous stamp set. And this one, I truly love the font. That was one of my favorite things. Rooted in Nature is a double box stamp set, so you get lots of stamps and lots of dies. This is just stamps, sorry. Some of the dies are made to cut out the stamp images, and some of the dies, oops, there goes my wood log, are extras that just give you more accents to use. So a lot of these are to cut out dies, but then you have these really cool leaves that are made to add accents to any project that you make. Arrange a Wreath was another stamp set that I absolutely loved, especially because it covers so many holidays and occasions. It comes with all of these wonderful dies along with this beautiful stamp set that will help you make either a layered wreath with two different wreath stamps or a single beautiful wreath. To a Wild Rose was introduced 2 catalogs ago, and it is a layering stamp set. So these 3 layer together as well as these to make the rose and the leaf bundle. It's got some great phrases with beautiful fonts, and it also comes with these wonderful dies that include a border die and a tag die. Peace and Joy was in the holiday catalog this last year, and the thing I loved about it is that Peace, Joy, and what was the other word? Peace, Joy, and Bright all have 3 dies that work together. A big outline, a smaller outline, and then detailed words. So you can mix and match the stamps with those 3 big words along with the 3 different sizes of dies to make this mix and match really well. You have extra images to add to your project as well as some great phrases that are super easy to fussy cut. Meant to Be is a wonderful, not only Valentine stamp set, but also for anniversaries or weddings or any other romantic occasion that you need a card. You get these beautiful stitched heart dies. It's a huge set of them, along with all these great stamps, excuse me. Bloom and Grow was another popular stamp set. Most of the dies are designed to cut out the bundles of the stamps, but also you get these 2 great scallop edges and these 3 cute flowers to add to your collection of dies, and then you have all these beautiful stamps to use. And the last bundle I have to share with you is another double box set, Good Morning Magnolia. This one just has some of the stamps, box 2, and then box 1 contains not only the other stamps, but also all these great dies, some of which are made to cut out your stamped images, but many of them, all these right here, are all designed to add embellishments to your cards or projects, along with this beautiful kind of bracketed border that you can use on your card base or any layer. All right, so that takes us through all of the bundles.